Mr. Kairas Electronics. Welcome to future of the computer.
Oh, hi guys! Today I'm gonna show you how am I be rich with a computer company. Get start. In my first one, I write a code for a money box. And the final money box finished. When you put the money into, he said,
Allah razı olsun kardeşim, Allah tuttuğunu altın etsin.
"It's so good." But my customers is solo. My mom, my dad, my sister and my family. But I think if I do new things, my customers will be higher than this. Then I did this camera. It's take a 12K and 360 FPS videos like a human eyes. Then this camera, some companies are wanna be cooperating with me, like Apple, Microsoft, Sony, and I refuse because I wanna be a big company. And then I did flying mouse. Let's watch it.
I believe I can fly. I believe I can touch.
And I did these robots like me. The robot's name is Mr. Kaira. You can control it this controller. Let's watch.
Check, 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 check.
If you do that, you can be a big company. Thank you for watching.